As discussed earlier in this course, a pedestal movement is one in which the camera itself moves up and down. This can be accomplished with a handheld rig or to a greater success with a jeep or crane. Although similar to a tilt in that we are adjusting the vertical trajectory of a sequence, pedestals are uniquely powerful in that they can shift the vantage point of a shot. Let's take a look at an example of a scene that illustrates this difference. Here's a man on a date secretly texting with another woman. This movement successfully shifts the focus of the frame and reveals a new key detail to the viewer. The up and down tilt motion mimics the way a waiter or spectator would view the scene. Let's see what this same scene looks like if we shot it with a pedestal motion. How did this technique change how we view the scene? By lowering the camera, we're able to convey to the viewer, let's take a look at what's going on beneath the surface of this situation. By opting for a move that is so intentional in refocusing our attention on the hidden cell phone, we emphasize the sneaky nature of his behavior. Unlike a tilt, which is fixed to a single pivot position, there are no vertical limits for a pedestal. We can quickly move up into the sky for an overhead bird's eye perspective or peek out from behind the foreground object to create anticipation and suspense. You will often see tilts and pedestals used together. Let's revisit our earlier scene. Let's compare that alongside the tilt and pedestal.
The camera to subject distance and aperture combination produce a depth of field that drives the viewer attention where it matters most. On the left image, it's about the male's character. In the middle, it's about his hand and very especially the cell phone. On the right, it's about the box of chocolates and what is happening under the table. As the camera gets lower, the distance to the subject changes, signaling that our perception about the character is also changing or about to change.
Like any of the other camera moves covered in this course, you are not limited to just one. Use the right combination that works best for your story.